Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and I'm getting ready to show you an exciting new opportunity called TRVL. Okay, now it's a travel opportunity, and it's not a travel agency at all. It's a travel, like I said, a travel opportunity where you can make money and get all the perks of a cheap flight, discounted hotels, and stuff like that, which I'm gonna go over right now. And let's begin, okay? So see why everyone is fired up about the biggest launch of 2021. So we're still in pre-launch as well too. All right, and then here's all the perks that you get. Okay, so you get the VIP airport lounge access. Okay, you get the best price promise. So like I said, the best discounts on the market. It does compete with like places like Priceline and Expedia and Cheapo Air as well too. You get the luxury travel marketplace. You get the daily discounts. You get a private MediJet. Like if you get hurt on a trip or something happens, you have a medical emergency, they have a private jet that'll pick you up and take you and fly you over to the hospital. All right, and then you also get flight insurance just in case anything happens on the trip. As the same way, it's kind of similar to the private MediJet. Okay, and then you get VIP concierge, and you get also cashback rewards. All right. Now these are the different travel packages with those. So you get the weekender pack, which I started on that level. You could come in at any level that you're comfortable in. Okay, so it's going to be 179 one-time payment, and then you're going to be paying $79 per month. So what you get in that is the booking engine, air, car, and hotel activities and cruises all included in that. And then you get the best price promise, you get the daily discounts, and you get the travel flight insurance as well. Okay. And then also with the Explorer pack is $299 and then $99 per month. You get the Weekender Plus. You get the vacation rental deals. You get the travel bucket list experience. You get the TVRL cashback program, and then you get TRVL exclusive specials. All right, with the Jet Setter pack, it's $499. You get it's going to be $129 a month. You get the Explorer Plus. You get the luxury travel marketplace. You get the TRVL airport lounge access. You get TRVL VIP concierge service. And then the private MediJet services. Okay, and then during the month of December, you could lock in your position in the Matrix compensation plan, only $49 one time just to lock in your position. And all travel packages will be available when the pre-launch ends. January 3rd, 2022 is the official launch date. Okay. Now, there are 6 different ways you could get paid. So the first way is the fast start bonus that pays out weekly. Okay, you get the generational bonus, which is also paid weekly. You get the referral group travel, and that's paid monthly. And the most, well, one of the exciting parts, the matrix pay, which is you get a chance to get spill over or spill under, and that's paid monthly. Okay. You get the lifestyle bonus, which is paid monthly, and then you get the quarterly bonus pool, which is paid monthly. Okay. This will create a huge income opportunity if you get started now because of the matrix pay. Okay. And then you could have thousands of people under you in the matrix, or they could be above you if you wait. All right. Now, there are some team bonuses, so you'll get access to our team marketing system for free, world-class marketing training and support, eye-popping capture pages, high converting sales funnels, engaging email follow-up swipes, done for you copy for social media posts, and then reliable traffic sources and a lot more coming up in the Facebook training group. Okay? Now, if you are interested, go ahead and click the link below for more information. Have a good one.